We got the muffler delete on the V. Fixing to see how it sounds.
These should be in it. Nick, how can I do this to my car, bro? Is it just the way the V sits, bro? Because this shit is nasty.
Well, it's the tips,
It's
bro.
the fucking wheels. I mean, he's got rims or just the wheels? My car sits like this. Yeah, yours does.
Alright, you wait for me, bro. You're just getting it right
You're
here.
good.
Wait, hold up, yeah. Gotta wait for me too.
Tell me when you're all ready.
Go.
Great, now I can't hear my intake.
Idle.
Now I can't hear my supercharger now. No. No, I know, I'm just fucking. I'm only on 13 PSI. How dare you? It's an LSA. It's an LSA.
That's the only time I hear one.
I'll smoke that shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'll outdrive the fuck out of him. I'll outdrive the fuck out of him. Hey, Johnny, I bet you he lifts before I do.
Hey, did he need 2 woods to get this up?
He had those on there, yeah. It's factory height. Yeah, and I'm changing the splitter anyway, so the front's kind of messed up. The splitter's getting changed. The front, I bought it like that, so some of it's coming off.
It does fit high. It does. Really?
Stop being so negative all the time, dude. Johnny is, listen, Johnny, hey, so negative all the time. Be positive, brother. We love you.
I'm not even gonna say anything.
Hold on.
Good.
Yeah.
You hear that fucking throttle open up?
Yeah, she's right now. Way better now. Way better now. I tell you right now, you need the exhaust done. You need to get it done right over here. You see it? That's who I always go to. I always take good care of me. And my boy Mike, he's the owner. He'll always take good care of you, get the best prices in the Bay Area. This is Nick Tunes. Peace out.